Good afternoon. Welcome to today's video. It's a beautiful day out, and on today's video I wanted to show you guys how I play my PS5 in the 4Runner. I haven't done a video on that yet, and I figured today would be a good day to show that off. The first step is, of course, you need to have it connected. Let me turn this air conditioner down. You need to have it connected to a power source, which I have a Westinghouse 1000 that's under the bed platform. Normally I have the PlayStation 5 under the bed platform as well, but for today's video I'll have it outside of the bed platform so you guys can see the PlayStation 5. So you can see there's the Westinghouse IGN 1000. Here's my plug-in right here to plug in all my stuff, all my electronics that's running to that, so I don't have to force all my cords back in that way. So the second thing I have back here, normally I have it under the bed platform, is my internet. This is Verizon home internet, and it connects with the 5G towers and provides me with Wi-Fi. It works pretty well as long as you have 5G cell service. This will work very well. They say it's geo-locked, but from our experience it's not. It's registered to an address, but we can take it anywhere and use it anywhere, and it's worked really good for us as long as we have cell service. So then I plug in here, plug that down in there. Get it all plugged in. Megan is helping me because I'm in the back. Normally, like I said, this is under the bed platform, out of the way. All right, so boot this up. This is my really crappy monitor that I got, and it's a 4K monitor. It doesn't work very well, so we're planning on switching this up. We got a new bed in here, and it kind of made things a little bit tighter, but like way more comfortable. So that was my goal, to make it more comfortable. Plug this in here and move all these cords back here. Alrighty, there we go. Get out my PlayStation controller here. Got my awesome PlayStation controller. I love it. All right, and there we go. So when we're camping or we're in town, just parked, I'll sit back here and play games. Or if you see right there, you see the two straps in the front where Megan is. Right there, I'll put the monitor on there and I'll sit in that seat and play games. I also have an Xbox Series X that is plugged in here. That's pretty awesome. The reason why I did this is I really wanted to bring my hobby with me when we're traveling and living out of a vehicle. I think it's so important. My only issue with the PlayStation 5, really waiting for a Slim edition to come out, or a mid-gen refresh, hopefully in the next year or two, that takes less watts. So with the PlayStation 5, you're looking at anywhere from 170 to 210 watts while playing video games. So my IGN 1000, I can probably game on it for, depends, like a good 5 hours with the PlayStation 5, 4 or 5 hours, just depends on how much my fridge kicks in, other things, internet, that, you know, I have the internet going, stuff like that. If I have the car started, that's charging everything as well, so I can probably game for about a good 8 hours. I plan on getting solar panels on the roof, so that will help that electricity balance of it and all that kind of stuff. The one thing that I really like about the Xbox Series X, takes less watts to run. I'm looking at anywhere from 120 to 145. Like I think the max I've seen it at, it's like 145 while playing games. So I can game more on the Xbox Series X. So Xbox Series X has been more my gaming system lately. My PlayStation 5 has only been for exclusives. I also have a Switch. A Nintendo Switch is the most amazing console that you can have for in here. Same with the Series S. If you're looking at getting a console for inside your vehicle to play games, or you know, when you're traveling or anything like that, laptops, the Steam Deck, Nintendo Switch, and the Xbox Series S, you're only running about 80 to 110 watts max when I've tested it. that is such a great option to game on the go. I died again.
Just a fact. With me, your truth-slinging host with the most. There's no to change. What? This pizza suits the autoplay Jameson show?
I think I'm done playing with some PlayStation for now. I'm gonna put it away. Normally, like I said, normally this PlayStation's under the bed platform mounted. I just wanted to have it out for this video and for some shorts and stuff that I was gonna make in TikToks. It's a beautiful day, so I want to kind of get outside. There's a lot of people on the lake right now. A gorgeous day today. Really hot. First day in the 90 degrees that we've had here. And everyone's enjoying the lake. Even though this video was about my PlayStation and my 4Runner and how to do that for van life and have, you know, your hobbies, this is one of the reasons why I started doing this lifestyle, was to be outside more. I'm flying my drone around here, that's why you have to be careful. I could have easily been the same height as him, and this area I can fly the drone. There's an airport over there, and I could have easily been the same height as him, and he could have hit my drone easily. That's why you got to be safe when you fly your drones. That was fun at the lake. We're only here for an hour, but Megan's got to get to work, so I got to get her to work. So when me and Megan would do a lot of stealth camping, we'd park right here by this lake, and this lake is getting really busy for the summertime, and a lot of people in this neighborhood are not really liking it. A lot of van lifers will come during the summer and stay in this area too, so it's becoming a spot where you can't really camp in here unless you're very stealthy, because this city banned camping inside city limits. So if you ever come to, I think it's called McIntosh Lake in Longmont, Colorado. It's a beautiful lake, but try not to camp here unless you're very stealthy, because they'll get you and they'll tow your vehicle and give you a ticket. But as you can see, it's just cars just lined up all the way. And it's a beautiful spot to like sleep, like right here. And it's nice and cool and all that stuff, but just make sure you're super stealthy about it.
Oh, and so you do mine right under here. That's good.
Should have got this green color. It's the army green. I can find one though. So I got silver, but I like my silver. Alright, have fun at work. Bye.
Bye. Stop.
Cream and pain medicines in there. Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
And
Bye.
I did
10
not
o'clock?
steal any Twinkies today. So
You better not have stole my She stole my Twinkies yesterday, or the other day.
Anything what?
What?
What'd you say?
Pick you up at 10? Get back.
Yep, 5 to 10.
Bye,
Love you.
Felicia.
Love you.
Love you too. So with my gaming setup in the 4Runner, I have so many more ideas that I want to do. I'm gonna install a 32-inch TV in here. Yeah, it's crazy, but eventually it's gonna work. I already have some ideas. We just might have to lay our heads on the back of the seats and our legs towards the back door. And I plan on making the setup in here really amazing. But unfortunately, my 4Runner got hail damage really bad last month, and the shop is still waiting for approval, and I will not have this vehicle for 3 to 6 weeks once they get approval. I have about $14,000 in damages on my 4Runner, and they have to get all the dents out, and then They said the whole vehicle needs to be repainted because they have to tear the roof off, put a whole new roof on. A lot of panels and doors and stuff cannot be fixed, so they said they had to replace all those, and it's really unfortunate, but I won't have the vehicle for 3 to 6 weeks, and when that happens, I'm gonna be very sad. This is my home, this is Megan's home, this is the dog's home. We do have a place to go, and we are going to be getting a rental vehicle in that time. And so what we plan on doing is doing some stealth camping in that rental vehicle, and still going to the mountains and doing possibly tent camping. So that will be coming to the channel as well, and that'd be actually be kind of interesting, having my gaming set up in a tent. That might be a good video. But just dropped Megan off at work, and now I'm probably going to work on some video editing, or I might play some more games. Right now the dogs aren't with me. The dogs are at their grandma's house, chilling with her. Since it's a 95-degree day, I didn't want to put them through the heat and the stress of the vehicle, because a lot of times I don't keep the vehicle turned on, so it gets pretty hot in here. And the reason why, I mean, it's a Toyota, so I might not have to worry about it, but you know, it's a lot of wear and tear on the vehicle just keeping us started. Looks like all the spots might be taken for the shaded area. That sucks. This would have been a good spot. Get some shade. I might have to find somewhere else to go park. Alright, I waited for a few minutes and someone just left, so let's take this spot. Perfect. Got the glizzy. And there she is, the beautiful, sexy beast 4Runner. Lunch or dinner. That's dinner. Nice big old floppy glizzy from the good old Costco. Bore you guys with me video editing, so I didn't record any of that. $1.50 for a glizzy and a soda. It can't be that. This is so good. Well, it's that time. End of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys could please consider subscribing to our channel, we'd really appreciate it. It'll help us out so much if you subscribe to our channel. And I'm gonna go get some things done, and I'll see you guys on the next one.